A company that realizes dreams through harmony of basic science and technology. Scitech. January 2000. Establishment of Scitech Corporation. January 2006. Registered as a venture company. February 2008. Biz Company registration. May 2017. Sejong Special Self-Governing City Technology Innovation Excellent Company Award. May 2018. Certification of Sejong Type Employment Creation Excellence in 2018. February 2020. Registered as a partner of KT5G Platform SCM. Selected as Sejong Star Enterprise in June 2020. Since its founding in 2000, Scitech Co., Limited has provided a wealth of technology that combines youth and experience acting on the basis of basic science theory and scientific ideas. In order to meet the expectations of our customers with the best engineering capabilities, we have been striving to develop new technologies and endless efforts. Scitech is the most reliable, fast, convenient, flexible, friendly and safe product, and a perfect product that no one can imitate. With these values, we are doing our best to make the world's best colostrum products. Scitech is a mobile automation machine including a curved glass processing machine. Automotive mission automation machine. Mask production equipment. Display automation machine. Factory automation machine. Robot system business, etc. It is a company prepared with abundant experience and secured patented technology. Scitech, located in Sejong Special Self-Governing City, welcomes customers visit anytime, with the heart of going with customers in anticipation of your interest and love. Once again, we promise to repay your support by being reborn as the best engineering and high-value product maker. Scitech has youth. Scitech is at the top of the technology. Scitech aims for the best product. Scitech puts mutual trust and trust first. It is a one-stop system that develops industrial automation and manufactures parts, providing optimal solutions. We will endlessly strive to grow as the best technology leader through a cycle where customer development leads to company growth. Thank you.